Elaine here from dessertfor2.com. Today we're making dinner for two. Whether you've put the kids to bed early or you've got a sitter tonight, it's date night. I'm going to show you how to make a super simple summer dinner. I've got a little baby zucchini from the garden and some cherry tomatoes and some fresh basil, and we're going to turn it into a delicious bowl of cheesy pasta. So first I'm going to slice up my zucchini. Since we're just cooking for two, we only need one zucchini. I like to slice them in half and make little half moon shapes. I find that they sear better in the pan, and I want these to have a nice little golden crust on them. Okay, that's all of our zucchini. Now it's time to cut our cherry tomatoes in half. I'm mixing red and yellow here just because I think it looks pretty, but if you have one of each, that's fine. Keep these separate because they're going to go into the pan at separate times. Okay, first let's take our zucchini. Let's take a large skillet and go ahead and preheat it. We want a large skillet because at the end we're going to toss everything together. Just a little olive oil, about 2 tablespoons I'd say. I've got a large pot of water back here and I've brought it to a boil. And add some salt to the water. And to it, I'm going to add, this is 6 ounces of fresh cheese tortellini. My olive oil is nice and hot. When you add the zucchini to the pan, you want to hear it sizzle. If it doesn't sizzle, then it's going to sit in the olive oil and kind of soak it up, and you don't want that. Add a little pinch of salt and pepper. Once the zucchini has browned on the first side, give it a little stir. And then add your tomatoes. I like to add a little pinch of red pepper flakes. Once the tomatoes have blistered, they start to soften and they release their juices, and it forms a little bit of a sauce in the pan. Now you're ready to add your tortellini. It only takes about 2 minutes to cook. Give this a stir. Get all the juices from those tomatoes. Next, add a little pesto. You can use store-bought. This is about 1/3 cup, or you can make it, whatever you prefer. And toss this together. Divide this between your serving plates. I like to sprinkle a little Parmesan cheese on top. And then garnish with some fresh basil leaves. Dig in. I hope you love this 10-minute date night dinner for two. Let's try it. pesto and the red pepper flakes go together really well here. And the cheesiness and the tortellini makes it taste like a caprese salad. For more date night dinner for two recipes, visit dessertfor2.com.